Okay guys, alright, so now we are going to the pine forest, which is my favorite spa. Okay guys, so now we are going to the waterfalls first, then we'll go at the shooting spa, and then we'll go at the pine forest, okay? So it's gonna be fun. We are not. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, bro. Okay, we are here after taking the ticket. We're here at the waterfalls. I can't exactly see where the waterfall is, but whatever this is, it looks so damn good. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. And then some photo sessions. Let me click some photos, okay? That's good. More to walk. Still, let's go. And I'm in a baggy outfit today, so this oversized hoodie and a grey track pant. Alright, I like those. Alright, do you want me to take the cap up? Wait, I'll show you how I look when I take the cap up. Oh wait, I look kind of cute. Like this or like this.
Okay.
I think with the cap is better. Look at that. Yo guys, you know, I tried photobombing some of the people, but it failed and I was so miserable, bro. Let's see if I find some YouTubers here. I make a stranger selfie. Okay, I'm going to a stranger.
No.
Yes. Excuse me, are you a YouTuber? Nah, he's not a YouTuber, bro. Alright, let's go.
What is this?
That is so embarrassing, bro. Okay, another man. Excuse me, are you a YouTuber?
Yes. Thirsty Eye.
What?
Thirsty Eye.
Thirsty Eye. Alright, I subscribe you. I have my YouTube channel too.
You have also YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Abbas World.
Okay.
ABBAS World.
Abbas World.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Guys, subscribe to his channel Thirsty Eye. That. That's so cool, bro. The real thing starts. We have to climb back up. Alright. And we have a lot. And there's so much of crowd and there are so many people taking a photo, bro. Every 2 steps you have to stop and go. Okay, let's go. And there's a boy crying. Alright. Come on, let's go. Okay. have to walk too much today, guys. Subscribe to give me more energy. Oh my gosh. Look at, that's the top. How did people even climb over there? I will. My dad asked, who will climb that? I said, I will. It's just sister climbing up. Not actually. Not climbing, up the mountain, you know. Look at that. And then, excuse me. A long, long way to go. Guys, we have a long. Look at that. All right there. So big. Let me see the back camera. Oh my gosh, bro. And there's raindrops. Okay, we are finally out. And there's raindrops. Literally on the camera. Okay. I'm literally wiping the camera. I'm kinda out of breath. But I'm strong. I kept it up. Oh my gosh. So there was a monkey, a literal monkey climbing up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. I can never do this. Guys, we have this much more to go. Here we go. This is at the shooting point. Just a few meters away. Oh my gosh. And finally, look at this view. And then there's me. So now we're finally to my favorite spot, the pine forest. So
At least
we'll walk from here, from these steps down there. Alright. It's so dense, and then I guess there's water. So let's see. Ah. I'm becoming a monkey, but I'll show you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Alright, let's go down there or there. I'll first go there. So let's go. There's literally nothing here, so let's go there. I hope there are no monkeys. Let's go. I was about to trip so bad. I gotta look down. So, wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yeah, I was so right. There's water. You see? Look, that's water. Alright? Alright, you believe me? Yeah? That's water. Let's zoom in and take a photo. Nah. Look at that. That's worth taking a photo. Oh my gosh, look at this. What if it was even more denser? But now I gotta go back up. Right? So, let's go. Shall I run? No, I won't. I'll sit on this. Alright. Oh my gosh, I can't even keep it. Look at me. Wait, can I balance here? Oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, I did. Look at that. Alright, so now what am I supposed to do? Let's go back up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite thing, but I didn't expect it to be so modernized, and like there are so less of pine trees here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sit right here. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, look there. There are trees all in line. So, look at that. Perfect. That's so perfect. I'm looking around because I don't know why. I just love this nature. Alright. So, yeah.